Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about WeChat product sourcing. Quite a lot number of people that are using WeChat to source for product from China does not actually know how to source for product from live stream from any manufacturer or sellers on WeChat. And in this video, I will show you how to catch them live on WeChat without any stress and source for a reliable and trusted supplier. Get the product at a very cheap and discounted price from your WeChat app and ship from China without any stress. Let me show you how. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure Lincoln 1688, Taoba or Pinduoduo or Idlefish, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your WeChat app. After you open up your WeChat app, next thing you want to do is to make sure you locate. After you open up your WeChat account, next thing you want to do is to make sure you locate service accounts. In some cases, you may not see service account from the top on your WeChat right here. What you need to do is to scroll, continue to scroll until you see this particular service account right here. So click on service account. I'm going to click on it straight up. So once you click on service account, then it will take you to live stream of different supplier right here. So you can see what you need to do to swipe this way. Continue to swipe. This is depends on the number of the supplier that are actually live stream their product as at the time you open your WeChat app. Okay. Let's for instance, I want to connect with this particular manufacturer right here. What we want to do is to go ahead and click on their live stream right here. So I'm going to what we want to do is to click on here to open up their live stream. So I'm going to click on it straight up.
1号的密码应该是，然后刚好做一体绒薄绒的，你10来度天气穿到0度以上的都可以单条穿。这个裤子呢，就是给你做薄绒一体绒的，不掉色不穿色，像养猫养狗不沾灰不沾毛，洗的久了不会说有任何起球啊、钩丝啊，不会有任何鼓包的。这个